All right, a very, very warm afternoon to all the lovely ladies. Can I please request you all to switch your videos, the participants? Great. I tend to see some lovely faces across the screen. Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing good. And welcome to your Talent Round 3, the ramp walk round of Forever Star India. And I hope you guys are as excited as I am to see you guys perform. So give me a nod if I'm all audible and we are all set. Great. Thank you so much. So now I'd request the jury members to switch on their cameras so that we can finally begin. Okay, there we have our three lovely ladies for the jury panel today. The first, of course, is Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, our director of Forever Star India. Second, we have Adelina Ganguly, who is a pageant groomer. And last but not the least, we have Anamika Yadavanshi with us, who will be joining us in a minute. She is the motivational speaker and the observer for the day. So let's just wait for Anamika and we shall start. Till then, I am announcing the sequence. The basic ground rules remain the same. Please do not unmute yourself unless asked to, and be very conscious of the timeline. There she is, Anamika. Hi, Anamika. So, jury members, shall I start? If you guys give me a nod. All right, thank you. So the sequence to start would be Jasleen, Paulami, Apurva, Kirti, and Anna. So all the best, ladies. This is your time to shine. All of you look extremely glamorous. So let's begin. Hi, Jasleen.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Just a second. Let me set this audio. Can you hear this?
The audio isn't audible.
Okay. 3.
Thank you, Jasleen. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moving forward, let's hear it from Paulami. Hi, Paulami. Paulami, आप अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. Yeah, are we ready? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. Let me start this one.
audible.
Good afternoon, I'm
Thank you, Paulami. Thank you so much. Next, we have Apurva. Hi, Apurva. अपूर्वा आप म्यूट पे हो.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Am I visible?
Yes, you're visible. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Just a minute. Let me play the music.
Thank you, Apurva. Thank you so much. Jury members, Apurva was 45 seconds past her scheduled time. And moving forward, let's hear it from Kirti. Hi, Kirti.
Hi.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead. Thank you so much. Next, we have Anna. Post Anna, the sequence would be Sumedha, Karina, Lopamudra, Vidhi, and Seema. So, hi Anna.
Hi,
Are we ready?
hope I'm audible, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Go
so
ahead.
wait a second. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Anna. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next, we have Sumedha. Hi, Sumedha.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Sure. Anna, could you please mute yourself? Yeah.
Ma'am, yes.
Thank you, Sumedha. Thank you so much. Next, we have Karina. Hi, Karina. Yeah, are we ready?
Yeah, Harry, just one thing I just want to mention to the contestants, like when you're positioning your camera, try to keep it far away from yourself so that the judges can see your leg position, right? So sometimes you just try to see it once because we're seeing just the upper portion or we are only seeing the legs. So try to, place your camera in that way.
Sure, makes complete sense. Thank you, Adelina, for the input. And, moving forward, Karina, can we please have your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. Thank you so much, Karina. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
And moving forward, we have Lopamudra. Hi, Lopamudra. Okay, I guess she lost connection. So putting her on hold and moving forward, we have Vidhi next. Hi, Vidhi.
Hello everyone. Hi all lovely ladies. You look glamorous. Hello jury members. Just give me a moment. I'll begin. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidhi. Thank you so much. Next, we have Swati. Hi, Swati. Post Swati, the sequence would be Heer, Deepmala, and Seema.
Good afternoon. Good
Are we-
afternoon, judges.
Thank you, Swati. Moving forward, we have Heer next. Hi, Heer.
Hi, Harry. Hi, judges. Good
Are we ready?
afternoon, everyone.
Shall we start? Are we ready?
Yeah, just a second, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Heer, you can go ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you. Next, we have Deepmala. Hi, Deepmala.
Deepmala. Deepmala.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Deepmala. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All right. Thank you, Deepmala. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, audible. I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you were audible. You could mute yourself now. Next, we have Rani. And post Rani, we have Vaishali and Shikha.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Rani. Are we ready?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, yes, ready.
Go ahead.
Music, music. Music. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
5 दिन पहले
Thank
हम
you.
कर रहे थे पूछेंगे
Next, we have Vaishali. Rani, could you please mute yourself?
बता देंगे छोड़ो ना बता देंगे चुप क्यों ना हेलो मैम
Rani, अपने आप को म्यूट
Hello.
कर लीजिए, प्लीज.
हेलो मैम
Vaishali, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Thank you, Vaishali. Thank you so much. So next we have Shikha. Hi, Shikha. शिखा आपका वीडियो विजिबल नहीं है, so if you could. Okay, I guess Shikha lost connection. Jury members, just give me a minute. Let me just check if Shikha will be joining back or not. All right, ladies, I think Shikha might not be able to join back. Her connection seems disrupted. So thank you so much for putting up such a wonderful show. Thank you. And now I request the jury members, a lovely panel, to and give us some parting words. So let's start with the OG expert of the day, the pageant groomer, Adelina Ganguly. Over to you, Adelina.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah.
हाँ मैम नेटवर्क इशू है मेरा क्या मैं अब कर सकती हूँ?
Yeah, okay, you can start then, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Shikha, could you please mute yourself?
Hello, ma'am.
Shikha, please mute yourself.
हेलो मैम।
Yes, Rani.
मैम मैं 5 दिन पहले बाथरूम में स्लिप कर गई थी, मेरे घुटना में मोच आ गया। मैं हड्डी वाले डॉक्टर से दिखाई हूँ, तो एक्सरे हुआ है, फ्रैक्चर तो नहीं हुआ है पर उसमें पेन है थोड़ा, इसलिए मुझे चलने में, कैटवॉक करने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। पर जिस समय फाइनल होगा मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगी।
That's okay, Rani, and I wish you a very speedy recovery. And there's always an option to put yourself into a later batch. आप टीम से बात करके अपने आप के लिए कोई और बैच allocate कर सकते थे. So अगली बार सब अगर ऐसे कोई भी situation हो, the team is always there to help you out. But thank you for letting us know, and I really wish that you get well really soon. So now I request you to, if you could mute Shikha as well, because I don't think she's able to hear me. Thank you. So now I request Adelina to take over. Welcome on board, Adelina, and over to you.
Good evening, Harry. Good evening, wonderful ladies out there, and good evening, other jury members. Well, first of all, I would tell you to applaud for yourself because it's a huge step that all of you have taken, and you were amazing. It was so good to see that some of you posed so well, like professional models on runway. So it was amazing. And what I could share in your next round, what you should have a smiling face, because there's a difference between posing for a magazine or for a photo shoot and walking in the ramp for a pageant. When you're walking in the ramp for the pageant, when you're looking at the camera, you should have that smiling face, that face which will win the judge's heart. At the same time, you need to be a bit careful about your posture. So just keep that in mind for the next round. But you were amazing. And Rani ji, आपको देख के नहीं लगा आपके घुटनों में कुछ दर्द है. आप बहुत अच्छा किए. So don't worry about that part. And prepare yourself well for the next round and wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Adelina. Thank you so much. And now I request our lovely Anamika to take over.
Good evening, judges. Good evening, participants. Good evening, Harry. Thank you so much, Kirti, for inviting me here to witness this grand show. And it was really a sight to watch all of you. All of you are really commendable, and congratulations for reaching far. Really totally deserve it. And Mike, please अपना सब check कर लें. You all were very good. बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने सबने walk किया, attitude दिखाया, pose किया, and अच्छे से dress up किया. Everything was very nice. कभी कभी मैं देखती हूँ कुछ लोगों को स्ट्रेस, जो नहीं पार्टिसिपेट, जो जिनका टर्न नहीं था वो बैठे थे, बट दे वर स्ट्रेस, जिनका नेक्स्ट टर्न था, थोड़ा उनका चेहरे पे मुझे स्ट्रेस दिख रहा था. पता है, 3 इडियट्स का एक बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल डायलॉग है जो मैं बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स को बताती हूँ कि ये जो मन है ना, ये बहुत टेंशन लेता है, इसको बेवकूफ बना के रखना चाहिए, इसको बुद्धू बना के रखना चाहिए, इसको बोलना चाहिए चाचू सब ठीक है, ऑल इज वेल, ऑल इज वेल, ऑल इज वेल. एंड व्हेन यू से दैट, तो आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है दैट ऑल इज वेल. तो स्ट्रेस में कभी भी हम अपनी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दे पाते. ऑल ऑफ यू गो वेरी गुड. अपनी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस और ज्यादा नेक्स्ट टाइम बेटर करने के लिए स्ट्रेस को थोड़ा सा कमरे से गेट आउट करवा दीजिएगा. ऑलराइट, एंड माय बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. टेक केयर.
Thank you so much, Anamika. Thank you. And Shikha, I request you to mute yourself. आपका mic बहुत बार on off जा रहा है, तो अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए. Thank you. So now I request the director, the woman who has seen it all through your 3 rounds, so Miss Kirti Chaudhary, to take over.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry. And hello, jury members. Hi, Adelina. Hello, Anamika. Thank you so much for judging the amazing participants today. And congratulations, each one of you. I must say, all of you have come a long, long way. from the first time when I saw you walking during the auditions, and today when you were walking with such confidence on your faces, on your body, the way you were just flowing with that music, I totally loved it. Would like to say that it is commendable. There's a huge difference here, specifically in your confidence. And there are a few things which I'll point out towards the end where we were, lagging. But let me just tell you that Adolina has already pointed out that you should be smiling more. It's, you just have these 120 seconds. Do not be in a hurry. Kahin jaane ki koi jaldi nahi hai. I saw a few of you walking so fast. You were kind of rushing into your walk. Yeah, so you just have to express yourselves through this walk. Each of your rounds has been about a different personality trait of yours. So today was only about your walk, but how you express yourselves efficiently through this walk is what matters. Of course, there are a lot of technicalities. Aise chalna hai, aise nahi chalna hai. But when you are confident, nobody really looks into it. Yeah, you have to keep that smiling face because that's how you express yourself. Secondly, I would really want each one of you to be more prepared from the next time. Yeah, with your angles, with the lighting that you're using, where you're putting up your camera, your phone, your laptop. So, once you're prepared, your stress levels automatically go down. But jab hum prepared nahi hote hain, when this is the first time that we are kind of coming in front of the camera and then we are walking, obviously our stress levels go up and then we do not give in our 100%. Our performance is not at par. So that's what I would say. You have been given all the information prior. You have been taking up the training sessions from these experts. And, the image consultants have been trying to tell you time and again that this is what we're going to see. Because we are in a virtual world. The whole process that we are taking care of here is virtual. When we're doing it in person, it's a little different. But when we're doing it here on Zoom or Google Meet, this is what we see. So you must take care of where you're doing it. There might be some crunch of space. You can go to the terraces. You can do it outside, wherever you wish to do it. But we wish to see your heels, your whole attire. We want to see you completely. Only then we can judge you properly. Yeah. So anyway, congratulations once again. All of you are looking lovely. And yes, keep your fingers crossed. I wish to see most of you as finalists after this round. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Just a last call check for Lopa Mudra. I think she texted. Lopa, would you be joining? Please start. Switch on your video and audio.
Yes, ma'am.
लोपा आप म्यूट पे हैं तो हमें आपका ऑडियो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. आप म्यूट पे हैं.
अभी से सबका सिचुएशन बात लगा क्या मेन टाइम पर लोगों का काम करना में कुछ दूसरा उसका तो है नहीं. हर दिन फोन में बस जिंदगी पूरा फोन ही और कुछ है ही नहीं.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lopa. Thank you so much. Also, Shikha, it's a humble request to please check on your mic. It's buffering again and again. So thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much, the jury panel. It was an absolute pleasure and honor having each one of you here today. Really looking forward for further rounds. And thank you so much. I shall take your leave to have some parting words with the participants.